So, mo ni siya station for the Shinkansen trains, atong mga bullet trains. So now you will see kung sa'yo now gidagoy sa Shinkansen or the bullet train. Pero wala pa. Wait lang mo. Mo din in car number 14. Train approaching. I think that's the one. Or not. Maybe not. You want to see a bullet train? This is a bullet train. This is one of the bullet train. Ang among sakyan kay Hikari 509. So, inyong timan-an ani, kung may babaw na siya, pasabot amo na nga train. Ganiha na naman na siya sa ubos. Kanang Nozomi 323 wala pa na ganiha, and then it's going up. So once ang Hikari 509 on the top line na pasabot amo na nga train. Kani nga train 1034. Kunya naabot siya 10:33 OMG. Hindi na sila ka-accurate sa time. So, example, mo ride mo Shinkansen, if your time is 10:40, expect the train to arrive at 10:39. Inana siya like that. Dili malate ang train, di pareha nato. Sir, asa ka pa dong, sir?
Padung ko sa Kolon.
Ah.
Train to Kolon.
Yati. Yeah, musakay na may og bullet train. It's Shinkansen, by the way, N700A. And Nami reserve seat 19A and B. View. Unfortunately, wala mi nakakuha sa seat na makita ang Mount Fuji, but it's alright kay nalugay man mi og mata. Yes, we are in Kyoto and we are heading to the central exit. So every time magawas mo sa train station, ipakita ninyo hang JR Pass. So you won't be charged for anything, for any price. Arigato. Aisitan. Naman sa Aisitan. Asa to na Aisitan dad Bohol? Nasa diri ilang branch. Charot. Aisitan. Isa to? So muna siya ang Kyoto Tower Hotel, guys. Ayun mo, guys. Buang, guys.
Atay kayo, guys.
Atay, guys.
Para kung ito pa-change yung kwarta, guys. Atay mo ni, guys.
Sorry sa me, like for 1 hour or less. There's a lot of bus. Kaning mga bus, mga day tour ni siya. Kyoto City Bus. Nasa yung motor. There. No, let's just go anywhere. May bird. Ilang bird na may signal nga the people need to go and walk. And these are the kimono girls. So, pachinko. Kanang pachinko. Anywhere na there is a Japan, they are gambling places here. Muna ilang mga taxis. Anywhere in Japan, nanagnaw ilang mga taxis. Taxi cars. Nanagya po'y bird. Pasabot sa naay bird nga tingog. It's a pedestrian lane. Char. Oh, it's Kyoto Yodobashi. Oh, nice kay lahang ko ano, dalan. It's so little. So, kanilang mall, I think. There's Uniqlo there. Uniqlo. Okay, we're gonna go inside and find out. Muna ilang mga SD card. Look at the prices of their SD cards. Wait, 10,060 yen. 19,220 yen. That's about close to 10,000 pesos. Nga, SanDisk. 128 gig.
10,000 rupees?
Yeah. It's just so expensive. But it's original, so why not? Coconut. So, muna ilang mga day-to-day use, mga face mask, eye mask. The pigeon. The pigeon wants to eat at the cafe.
Hello guys. Napag-igay. Okay.
Sige, balik.
Holiday.
Okay. The bird is singing again. So, muna siya. It's not really that cold here. Mga, unsa na nga degrees, sir? Please check. 18?
It's 18 degrees.
Are you sure? 18 degrees?
Yeah, I saw it on the map. It's 18 degrees.
18 degrees daw. I cannot read. So we are heading to a temple. The nearest temple sa Kyoto Station.
Oh, no, the course is too.
Tanawa. Muni himuon nilang tuna sashimi ni kagabi.
Oh, yung good news.
So, yun na yung bus station, bus stop. Maybe.
Saan ka gusto din?
Hindi na tumuhog.
Hindi na yung mga bus. Tourist area.
Yes. So, pwede ka ka-rent dili og bicycle. Pwede sa ka-rent og kimono. There. Some two girls are wearing kimono. Hello guys. So muna ilang trees. Muna ni siya ilhan nga padong na winter. Kay mga laya. And it will fall on the ground. Mahimo na siyang calavera. Char. So muna ang temple. See, wala mi kuha og tour package but nakasud mi ang temple. It's 1 o'clock in the afternoon, but the weather is nice. It's like morning sa Philippines. And this temple is actually free. Nanood lang mi dinhi kay duol sa station. Okay. So moni ang temple. It's really nice here. And it's free.
It's a walk away from the Kyoto Station.
Yes, and you see that? That's the trademark or the landmark of the station. So meaning it's just a few meters away. Like how many meters that?
Roughly 100 meters.
Okay. See that? That's only 100 meters and you get a nice tourist spot here in Kyoto for free. What can you say?
Holidays.
Okay.